IBM has had an environmental policy in place for over 40 years, and our energy efficiency program has been integrated within the policy for over 20 years. ISO 50001 certification was a logical next step as part of our continuous improvement process. Globally, there is a lot of emphasis on ISO processes. Customers are asking for it.
Our ISO 50001 certification really shows our commitment to energy efficiency. It instills pride in our employees and allows us to shine within the IBM plant in Bromont, in our local community at the provincial level, throughout Canada, and even internationally.
Over the past 5 years, we have reached an annual average energy conservation of 9%, which represents a savings of more than $3 million.
Located in Quebec's eastern townships, IBM Bromont houses IBM's largest semiconductor assembly and testing facility in the world. This champion of technological innovation also leads the way in energy management. IBM set high goals for itself to maximize energy efficiency through the implementation of ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems Standard. The certification helps companies take energy management to a new level through employee engagement, controlling costs, and sustainable practices.
ISO 50001 certification required teamwork between several departments at the Bromont plant. Management was also instrumental in the process, first by giving employees time to work on the certification, but also by helping in removing obstacles, and finally by sharing energy efficiency targets and objectives. This allowed everyone at the factory to work together towards the same goals.
The ISO 50001 implementation allowed us to identify 4 significant energy uses: lighting, power plant, data centers, and ventilation, air conditioning, and heating systems.
Dynamic energy efficiency dashboards were made available to operators. Operators now have a tool to track real-time energy imbalances and correct them immediately.
The Canadian Industry Program for Energy Conservation, or CIPEC, has worked with world-class industrial facilities like IBM Bromont, who are committed to reducing their operating expenses and sharing their energy management successes for over 30 years. In IBM's case, implementing ISO 50001 has helped the facility promote responsible energy management practices within the entire supply chain system and develop resources to help other companies better control their energy management processes.
Suppliers, whose services will have a significant impact on our energy use, are systematically informed that they will be judged according to their energy performance.
A solution developed by IBM allows us to continuously monitor the operating efficiency of our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Alerts generated in real time identify, correct, and adjust inefficient operating conditions of our systems.
Throughout the ISO 50001 standard implementation process, CIPEC helped us share best practices with energy leaders. We were also able to benefit from other companies' experience by participating in CIPEC webinars.